So, 4-inch drone, Nerk FPV had a great idea, brilliant idea, which is let's make a game, attach a pole like this that goes on the front of the drone, and grab hoops, like clothes hangers, for example, are one of the ideas. Or I was personally thinking the hoops that you throw in a pool that sink to the bottom, then you have to like go dive down and pick them up, do something like that. So I'm fortunate enough to have a 3D printer, and the plan is either connect to the motor bolts on either side, like the top two, these two and these two have a crossbar that goes across and then up, or connect down to these directly and have something straight up. All depends on how strong it is. I'm printing in PETG, but you know, if it's PETG, even though that's stronger than POA, if it's 10 inches long out here, might crack, might not, might just bend. All depends on infill settings and length, thickness, heat. I don't know what will work best, but I do know that it sounds easier to make a test model that connects with these two bolts right here, goes out in front, and from the very preliminary testing I've already done, has a crossbar to prevent the hoop from hitting the propellers. So great news, I've designed the part, and here I'm printing out really quick, 7 minutes left. First impressions, my screws, well, the screw holes aren't big enough, so I'm gonna have to drill it out. Since you got longer screws, pass them through. On PETG, it's solid. I can't bend it. Feels good, feels smooth. Got in. I was able to torque it down without hurting the plastic, which is surprising. I thought the plastic with the torque, I mean, I'm using a T-wrench here, so it's got some bang to it, you know, some muscle. Nope, it was just fine. And now I'm going to go through one more iteration. I'm going to have my V2. I'm going to resize it so that the holes are bigger, so I don't have to drill them out. Those just fit by default, and also so that they're the right spacing apart, because I had to make this hole a lot bigger than that one, so that I would essentially have that extra tolerance for the screw to slide in all the way to the left and fit in and go through the carbon fiber. Alright, so here's my new piece, and the design embellishments were essentially just making it thinner, more curves, so as a result, hopefully better distribution of like shocks and impacts. I still don't know about the survivability of this. We'll have to see if the plastic can take even one crash. I don't know, but weight wise, 0 grams. It's 20.3 grams. So that's, you know, considering the size, considering that this is something that you put on your quad for fun, that's perfectly fine. This is the old piece, quick destruction test. Yeah, not the strongest in the world. So I'm at the local flying field. Nobody else around today. It's kind of weird. It's a Friday afternoon. And here are the targets, just held it by rocks, like pool rings. And I'm gonna try to pick them up with the grappling hook. Hopefully it works pretty well.